BC is easing some COVID-19 restrictions in place since December, but extending others. Bad news for bars and nightclubs.
I will be extending the current restrictions on events and gatherings through to February 16th, at which point we will reassess.
But good news for gyms.
I'm taking the cautious step of reopening gyms and exercise facilities with capacity limits and the continued use of the BC vaccine card.
What isn't going anywhere, BC's vaccination pass.
We put it in place in August up until January 31st, hoping that we would be in a place where it was no longer needed, but that's not the case.
It has allowed restaurants, for example, and other facilities to stay open in challenging times.
The debate over how long it will be extended for and what else might be added to it is still up for debate. But what won't be debated is changing the fully vaccinated meaning to 3 doses instead of 2.
That primary series right now is still giving really strong protection for people against severe illness and hospitalization, and I have no plans at the moment for changing that.
While trying to figure the way out of the pandemic, Dr. Henry is clear BC is still deep in it right now and warning people not to dismiss Omicron.
The data has shown that up until now, and even with Omicron, about 1 in 10 people will have symptoms that last for 12 weeks or longer. That's a long time to be seriously ill.
Even with fewer people becoming seriously ill with Omicron versus Delta, the sheer volume of cases now is crushing healthcare. There are 65% more people in hospital with COVID now than during any other wave.
It's still a serious issue, and we are still in a pandemic, as much as we would like to be over it.
In Victoria, Liza Yuzda, City News.